Good morning. So this is the system. There's the CPU, monitor, control unit, keyboard, mouse. The NEMA 23s motors, 1 amp each. So let's follow through the Mach 3. On start up, it'll come up with the Mach loader, so we click on that, and what you want is Mach 3 mil. And OK. So last time Mach 3 was up, I had 44, 43, 42 and 41. See, Mach 3 has got all these funny little bits on the end of it. Go over to MIDI. And down the bottom in the input, press the reset button so everything comes live, and then down in the input we'll put in F400, feed 400, X0, Y0, Z0 and A0, and then push enter. Now if you put in O instead of 0, it won't work. So all set to press enter. And just have a look at the units. There, they're all set to go. It's pulling 2 amps. That'll be for the controller, and just holding the units. And now when we click push enter, everything starts. And so you can back up to the screen and have a look. There they are, they're winding down. And they are all finished on their bits. Now if we go back to input again, and it remembers the feed 400 from last time, so we'll put in X20, Y21, Z22, A23, and when we push enter, away they go again. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, control unit for output, 4 motors, the processor, and it's running XP 700 megahertz, 2.5 gigs of RAM and 40 gigs of hard drive. No CD drive, USB input on the side, sound outputs on the side, and one more USB insert socket on the back.